Good morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, cubes and cube roots. What is cube? The cube of a number is the number raised to the power 3. If a number multiplied by 3 times, this is called the cube of the number. Suppose cube of 5 is equal to 5 raised to the power 3. So if we multiply by 5 3 times, 5 into 5 into 5, we get 125. So cube of 5 is equal to 125. It means 5 raised to the power 3. Similarly, if we take 7 cube of 7 is equal to 7 raised to the power 3. 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to 343. Now a number is a perfect cube. अब ये क्या है? परफेक्ट क्यूब. परफेक्ट क्यूब कब होता है नंबर? इफ इट इज एग्जिस्ट अ नेचुरल नंबर इन 3 टाइम्स. कोई भी नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब तब होता है जब उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो कोई भी एक नेचुरल नंबर 3 टाइम्स आ जाता है. जैसे वी कैन राइट 8 एज 8 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 2 क्यूब. सो 8 इज़ अ परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर because if we find its factor we get 3 times 2 raised to the power 3, so it is a perfect cube. Similarly 1000 as is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 10 raised to the power 3. 343 as 7 into 7 into 7, it means 7 raised to the power 3. So 343 is a perfect cube, 1000 is a perfect cube, and 8 is also a perfect cube. Now cube root is denoted by, देखिए इसका साइन भी स्क्वायर रूट जैसा होता है, लेकिन स्क्वायर रूट में यहाँ 2 लगता है या फिर 2 नहीं लगता है, दोनों तरह से हो सकता है. बट क्यूब रूट में यहाँ एक छोटा सा बाहर 3 लगाना हमारा ज़रूरी होता है. सो इट इज़ द सिंबल ऑफ क्यूब रूट. इट इज़ द सिंबल ऑफ क्यूब रूट. Cube root of a negative number is negative, that is cube root of minus a raised to the power 3 is equal to minus a. Cube root of product of two integer is equal to ab. Cube root of ab is equal to cube root of a and cube root of b. Clear? Now start the exercise 4. Find the cubes of following numbers. So how we can find it? 13 into 13 into 13. Cube of 13 is equal to 13 raised to the power 3. It means 13 into 13 into 13. If we multiply 13 into 13, we get 169. If again multiply by 13, we get 2197. Now cube of 400, we write here cube of 400 is equal to 400 raised to the power 3. Now it means 400 into 400 into 400. Now multiply 4 3 times. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. How many 0? 1 2 3 4 5 6. We write 6 0 here. Now cube of minus 4 upon 9 is equal to minus 4 upon 9 whole power 3. क्योंकि बच्चों इसका भी क्यूब होगा और न्यूमरेटर का भी होगा और डिनोमिनेटर का भी होगा क्यूब. तो वी राइट माइनस 4 इंटू माइनस 4 इंटू माइनस 4, 9 इंटू 9 इंटू 9. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 3 times minus, so we write minus here, and 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. So the cube of minus 4 upon 9 is equal to minus 64 upon 729. 2 whole 5 upon 7, first convert into the improper fraction. 7 2s are 14, 14 5 plus 5 9. 14 plus 5 19 upon 7. We write here cube of 19 upon 7 is equal to 19 upon 7 cube. 19 into 19 into 19. 7 into 7 into 7. 19 into 19 into 19. If we multiply 3 times 19, we get 6859. And if we multiply by 7 3 times, we get 343. So its cube of 19 upon 7 is equal to 6859 upon 343. Now 0.3 cube of 0.3 is equal to 0.3 cube, 3 raised to the power 3. We multiply by 3 times, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. Now 3 multiply by 3 times. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. Put the decimal. After decimal, 1 digit, 1 digit, 1 digit. So we need 3 digits for decimal. 1, 2, 3. Put the decimal and write 1 0 before the decimal. So it is the cube of 0.3. Clear? Now 6 part 0.08 cube of 0.08. First we multiply 8 3 times. देखिए we write here 0.08 into 0.08 into 0.08. 8 8 is 64, 64 8 is 512. Now check the decimal. How many digits? 2, 4, 6. So we need 6 digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put the point now. So our answer is 0.000512 is cube of 0.08. Similarly, now cube of minus 2.4. तो बच्चों इसमें इसको 2.4 का कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? देखिए we write minus 2.4 minus 2.4 into minus 2.4. So we get, if we multiply this, we get 13824. 24 multiply by 24 multiply by again 24. Now put the decimal. After decimal, 1 digit, 1 digit, 1 digit. It means 3 digit before. Put the decimal. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? 13.824? No, because minus 3 times, so we write minus here, minus 13.824. Now 0.1 cube of 0.001 is equal to 0.001 into 0.001 into 0.001. Now first multiply by 1. 1 ones are 1 ones are 1. Now how many digits required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put the point. Now 0. Clear? It is its answer. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Which of the following numbers are perfect cubes? आपको बताना है कि दिस इज परफेक्ट क्यूब, येस और नो. फॉर फाइंड द परफेक्ट क्यूब, फर्स्ट वी फाइंड इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर्स. प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 64, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Now we write here factor of 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Factor of 64, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times 2. So we take its triplet, यानी कि 3 times देखेंगे, 2 triplet times and 2 triplet times. So we find prime factor 2 can be grouped in triplet. So 64 is a perfect cube. अगर कोई भी नंबर इसमें से ट्रिपलेट फॉर्म में नहीं होता, यानी कि 3 टाइम्स नहीं होता, तो ये नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं होता। अब इसमें आप देखिए कि इसके फैक्टर जो है किस फॉर्म में आ रहे हैं, ट्रिपलेट फॉर्म में। किस फॉर्म में आ रहे हैं, देखिए 3 टाइम्स 2, अगेन 3 टाइम्स 2, सो इट इज़ अ perfect square, sorry, perfect cube. Similarly, we take 243. It is divisible by 3. 3 8s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 7s are, 3 9s are, sorry, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. देखिए 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are, 3 7s are, 3 9s are, again 3 3s are, 3 1s are. 5 times 3, तो ये तो ट्रिपलेट फॉर्म में है, बट इट इज़ नॉट इन ट्रिपलेट फॉर्म हेयर, सो इट इज़ नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. वी राइट हेयर, वी फाइंड prime factor 3 cannot be formed in triplet, so 243 is not a perfect cube. Now फिफ्थ पार्ट, सभी क्वेश्चन सेम है इसके, मैं कुछ पार्ट्स कराऊंगी, बाकी आपको होमवर्क में करने होंगे. 64 के बाद हमने थर्ड पार्ट लिया 243. नाउ वी टेक 1331. Again we find its prime factor. 1331 is divisible by 11 only. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 ones are. Now again 11 ones are 11 ones are 11 ones are 11. So we see 11 is a prime factor and it is in a triplet form. So 1331 number is a perfect cube. So we find prime factor 11 can be grouped in triplet form so 1331 is a perfect cube. Now we take 4096. Find the prime factor of 4096. It is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 2 0, 2 4s are 2 8s are, 2 1s are 2 0, 2 2s are 2 4s are, again 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 2s are, 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 6s are, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are, 264, 232, 216, 28, 24, यहाँ 4 था, 2 2s are 2 1s are. तो we see 2 is in triplet form, yes or no? Yes. देखिए ये भी ट्रिपलेट फॉर्म में है, तो वी ऑब्जर्व दैट. क्या ऑब्जर्व करेंगे? वी फाइंड दैट prime factor 2 can be grouped in triplet form so 4096 is a perfect cube. Part 2, 4 and 6 is in homework. Okay, now question number 3 we will do in next video. Okay.